So let's go to Soi 8 and let's see how Songkran is celebrated in the rain. A good afternoon. It is the 15th of April, which means it's the last day of Songkran here in Bangkok. It's a bit different than the last couple of years, and the reason is because it is cloudy. We've had sunshine for many years, but let's go and check out how it looks in here. So if you come here, you can buy your clothing in here. Sawadee krap. Sawadeeปีใหม่นะครับ Oh. So here you can buy your Songkran shirts, your flip-flops, your guns, everything that you need. So don't worry about having the right equipment. And this one is next to the Sphere. So here they created the Summer Republic, which is a kind of a fan zone. This is pretty cool, and as you can see, this is very family friendly. Let me put my goggles on and let's have a little walk. Later I will show you other places. You know, Songkran is all about having fun. So you shouldn't worry too much about getting wet here. And if you're worried about a whoa, you have to only be worried for the cold water. If they spray warm water on you, it's actually very nice. Well, it's getting really hot. This is also the beginning of the rainy season and the hot season, so Kap! Whoa! You know, I'm always wearing my goggles, especially when I'm filming. I'm looking into the camera and I don't want to get sucker punched by water. So let's move on to another location. If you don't want to celebrate Songkran, you can still use the skywalks here. But as you can hear downstairs, Songkran party is going on. It's still easy to use the public transport. You can just go from area to area. In the background you hear the Songkran music, and I'm gonna take the BTS now. Here at the Central World Square you have the Wonder Island Beach, and it's not so busy anymore, and the reason is probably because it looks like we're gonna have some heavy rain coming in, so many people decided to head back home. But the people are still celebrating here. Sawadeeปีใหม่. It actually gives a nice shine here on the floor. It already rained this morning. Hello! Sawadeeปีใหม่.
Happy Songkran!
Yeah, the wind is picking up. The wind is picking up. You can see it's gonna rain very, very soon, and this water party is gonna get very wet. It's always good to see people having fun. So last year they had a huge water slide here at Central World, but this year they made it a bit smaller. I don't know if you can hear it, but the wind is coming in, definitely big rains coming up. So I wanted to end my video in Sukhumvit Soi 8, but as you can see, the skies started to play Songkran, started to play the water festival as well. So I'm actually still gonna go and check downstairs how Soi 8 looks. But as you can see, we're having heavy rain. Very, very different from last year where we had beautiful sunshine. Let's go downstairs. So it's definitely the last day of the water festival, but as you can see, the people are not getting discouraged. The party continues. Water is water, right? Here it rains hard. I don't have an umbrella with me, but I'm here in front of 7-Eleven. And 7-Eleven always has the 100 baht umbrella. So let me get an umbrella and show you guys how Soi 8 looks. So this umbrella is actually 109 baht. So let's go to Soi 8. Obviously I don't care too much about getting wet myself because I'm already completely wet. But it's all about the lens, right? And as you can see, the party continues. Sawadee Mai! Oh! So let's go to Soi 8 and let's see how Songkran is celebrated in the rain. This is something new for me. Kap. Sawadee Kap! Sawadee Mai! Soi 8, in my opinion, is one of the craziest streets for Songkran, and I wanted to keep this one for the end, but then dry if possible, but I think that's not gonna work today. So let's do a rain video here in Bangkok in Soi 8. Sawadee Kap! During the craziness. Look at this. Last year in Soi 8 and I thought that was the craziest Songkran I've ever seen. It can get crazier. Songkran with rain. Rain from the sky. The gods play with the water. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding Songkran 2025. If you did, feel free to subscribe. Drop me a line and see you guys in my next video.